welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to demonstrate precipitation. For this experiment we'll need a jar filled with water, food coloring, syringe and shaving foam. Now we take the shaving foam and take the syringe and pull out the food coloring and push it. Slowly it's raining. So the water was the air, the shaving foam was the clouds, and the food coloring was the rain. This is how the precipitation happens. First, little drops of rain come, then the whole sky is filled with water droplets. Look at our experiment over here. Just like the way precipitation happens.